It's packing day. If you've seen the last video, the swimsuit haul, you know we are packing on Thursday for this to be posted on Friday. But we are going to Orlando, so I probably won't try to make this as long, but I have a list. It's on my computer, so I'm going to give out my computer right now. We got a long list to go through, so let's get started on setting out my airplane fit. Yay, let's go. Okay, so I'm not gonna pack jewelry or anything yet, but the outfit is ready to go. So we're gonna move on to the suitcase packing part of everything. What we're gonna do is we're gonna lay everything on the floor because I like to visually see and match up outfits. So then I can come back and I can look at what everything looks like. Welcome to my floor set out process. So here's all the clothes so far, and that's crazy for 4 days, but I need everything. 3 bags worth, let's get it. I'm gonna go get all my makeup stuff, and then I'll come back and you guys can watch me pack in the bag, just because I don't want to make this super long, but I also want to give every detail of what I am gonna pack with it. So I just finished all of my bathroom stuff, and I just brought my curler in here because everything else is gonna go in my purse. Let's get to packing. So I'm done packing, except for I'm gonna pack these books. All my electronics will be packed. In the next vlog, you'll see it because I can't pack anything else because I'm packing Thursday and I don't leave till Saturday morning. Basically, what we have left to pack is, so we just need tanning supplies, straightener, extensions, Lavelle and shaker cup, makeup, computer, phone, Apple charger, Apple Watch, AirPods, and then all the rest of the chargers. And that's it. So that will all be done in the next vlog, but everything's done and we're ready to go. So thank you guys for watching, and if you want to see more of these, I'll try to go on more trips. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I can't wait for you guys to see how this trip is gonna go, and I'll figure some way to post something. But if the next video is not Orlando related, just know that I'm working on getting the best content for y'all and editing the best way. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Here I come, Orlando.